a long trip. It's about 4 hours, even more, I think.
From October 18th to 20th, 21 international students from Tsuchi University's bachelor program in digital media and technology crossed Taiwan's Central Mountain Range to visit Puyuan Township in Changhua and the Dajia Jing Sea Hall. They collaborated with the Tsuchi 3-in-1 news team for a 3-day journey focused on learning drone operation techniques.
在上学期的时候，因为我们自己班上的同学说他们想要体验一下空拍机的操作的部分，那因为在慈大里面我们本身并没有这样的一个课程，所以那时候就想到就是说，因为我们在志工里面有一个团队也去尼泊尔空拍，那实际上这一块来讲他们是比较专精，所以那时候就透过慈济的人文真善美去联系，然后来安排这一次的空拍的一个体验。其实空拍来讲，它不光只是单纯就是在摄影端的部分，因为我们现在目前学生摄影可能也许你只是从人的角度去看，但是透过空拍来讲，你可以从另外一个高角度俯视的部分。那空拍除了应用在摄影记录来讲之外，其实在慈济的救灾里面来讲，其实是应用很多。
Tsuchi volunteer Chen Zhengfeng has 10 years of experience with drones and also serves as a volunteer firefighter for the Taichung City Fire Department, using drones to assist in rescue operations. During this course, the Tsuchi 3-in-1 news team taught students drone operation techniques and usage guidelines, and they conducted on-site visits in the Puyuan community to capture the beauty of its local culture.
我们最主要的课程内容是说，第一个，我们让埔盐乡的乡亲，其实他们年纪这么大了，都是一些比较老的菩萨，他们没看过空拍机是什么。那我们借由空拍机来跟他们做互动，然后顺便接引他们说，哎，我们慈济就是有这个空拍队，把这种理念、善的理念传达给他们。因为借由空中的影像，你会发现你的对于美的观念是不一样的。就是用鸟的视野去看这个画面的话，对于你的所谓的创作的逻辑上，我觉得有加分的作用。借由这次的机会，我们就把这个埔盐乡的美景，借由我们的空拍机把它拍出来，让他们多了解他们的社区。
A few years ago, I thought it's very expensive to have drone, and it's like it looks so cool when you can fly drone. Like you can see something. It's like I wanted to see some beautiful places from the drone. It's like very exciting, and I like to play games, so it's easy for me, and it's like very awesome. It's like to control something that actually is flying. It's like not everyone can have this opportunity for free.
The students were divided into 6 groups and dispersed throughout the lanes, historic houses, and temples of the Puyuan community to document and experience the local traditional culture. This allowed the international students to gain a deeper cross-cultural understanding of Taiwan.